Hello and welcome to the Insecure Chef. I'm here with Regina today. It's Halloween, so I thought this would be appropriate. I think we're going to do a little for dinner. We enjoy having breakfast for dinner. So we're going to have a little pumpkin waffles. So we're going to do some quick pumpkin waffles. We'll start right off the bat. Let's get started. In here, and again, as always, the recipe's on the channel. In here I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, and to that I'm adding brown sugar. Okay, brown sugar going in. Going to give that a good stir. Now, it's important to get this well combined. You want to make sure it's all in there. So just, don't rush it. Otherwise, if it doesn't get in there, you're going to have very gritty tasting waffles. So you don't want that. So let's get those in there very nicely. You can see it going in there good. All right. All right, once that's in there, I'm going to follow that up with 1 large egg. And you'll probably hear Eli barking back there. Like I said, it is Halloween, so he might be running across children outside. So we'll get this done as quick as we can. All right, so that looks good to me. I'm going to throw in the egg right now and going to mix that up in there as well. And once that gets in there, we're going to be adding vanilla. Now, I'm going to be using a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm of the school of thinking that you really can never have too much vanilla. But this, I think that quantity will work well. All righty, looking pretty good. All right, we're going to be putting in a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I wonder if there's a tablespoon in here.
Let's hope. Oh yeah, you got plenty.
All right. That bottle's almost empty. Make a note of that. We might need more. All right, so that's going in there. And to that, I'm also going to be adding a half a teaspoon of almond extract. If you don't have almond extract, you can leave it out, but it really works nice with the pumpkin. So that's going in there too. I'm going to give that a nice stir up. Boy, that smells good. An extract. All right, and to that now, we're going to be adding our milk. You can use any milk you want, but regular milk probably give it a little bit more body. But you can use reduced fat. But I'm going to be putting in now a 1 1/4 cups of milk. That's going to go in now. All right. All right, milk is in. We'll get that mixed up very nicely there. And to that, we're going to be adding about a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. This is pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix. This is actually the puree. We're going to go in with a 1/4 cup. That's a little tricky sometimes too, so I've kind of worked out a weight for it. A 1/4 cup is about 60 grams. So on your scale, if you put it in grams, it's the easiest. If I start converting it to ounces, it's all kinds of fractions, but 60 grams is what's going to be going in. So we're going to put that in there now. And I always weigh out like 61 or 62 grams because I know I can never get it all out. But we're talking small quantities here, so I wouldn't get too excited about it. All right, and this you're going to thoroughly blend as well. And again, it's important to get that into there. It's a nice mixture. You look for lumps. I don't think I see any.
No, I don't either.
Look pretty good.
Yeah, good.
Yep, I don't see anything sticky.
Nope.
So I think that's good. I think that's in there. All right, we're just going to push this to the side for the moment, and we're going to move over to the dry end of that. Whoops. Stop. Move over to the dry end of that. Okay. With that, we're going to be adding our flour. This is all-purpose flour. For you purists, you can sift it if you like. Okay. Yeah, I think we have trick-or-treaters out there.
We may have to stop to give them candy. No,
Oh.
no, I don't know if it is.
All right, we'll take a pause. All right, now we're going to be adding to the flour 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, let me get that going. There's 1. And there's 2. Okay, that's a little bit of baking powder. We're going to add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. Okay. And to that, we're going to be adding our pumpkin pie spice, just a half a teaspoon. All right. Oh, that's wet. Let me dry that. Yep. Now, if you don't like pumpkin pie spice for some reason, maybe you don't like the fact that it has nutmeg in it and cloves, you can just use cinnamon if you like. But if you really want to get the flavors of the season, go with the pumpkin pie spice. So we're going with a half a teaspoon of that. Okay. Pumpkin spice is in. And we're going to give that a good mix. Get that incorporated nicely. All right, in the meantime, I've got my waffle iron heated up. I'm going to be making, these are Belgian waffles. So I've got a 2-sided waffle iron here. Since Regina and I only eat about 1 waffle each, it works out perfect. Okay, now to that, we're going to be adding the wet ingredients into the dry. I'll try to do that without making a mess. Okay, let's get that in there. Wet ingredients into the dry. I'll start it out with there. Okay. And I don't see anything on the bottom. That's good. We got a good mix there. Get rid of that. And we'll give this. And basically all you want to do here is just get it well incorporated. You don't want to over mix it too much. Actually, that's a strange phrase. You just don't want to over mix it, period. Alrighty, getting that very nicely. I'm just scraping the bottom to make sure there's nothing hiding down there. Across the sides. And I think we can say that that's mixed. This is a beautiful batter. If you look at that, very nice and creamy. Smells delicious, even uncooked. Can you smell it, babe?
I can smell the almond.
Yeah. All right. I would say that that's mixed. And to that, we're going to proceed over here to our waffle iron. And we're going to pour in our... Is that a good side for you, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get that in there. Before I forget it, be right back. I'm not going too far. May not be necessary, but I always like to just double check. Give it a little bit of a spray of to make sure things don't stick. All right, gonna be pouring in that. Probably about 4 or 5 tablespoons, but that'll depend on your waffle maker. Okay, get that guy in there. And now I'm going to turn it over, do the other side. Same thing, give it a little spray. And pour that in there. Alrighty. And now we'll wait until the waffles are done, and we'll be back as soon as that happens. Okay, it's this side. Okay, go. All right, sounds like the first waffle is done. I'm gonna open it up, take a look, see. Oh, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, nice and golden
That
brown.
looks nice and golden brown. We're gonna flip that right onto the pan there. And that's the second one. We might as well get to that one too. Let me pull that baby out of there. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, there you go. What do you think, babe?
Oh, they look great.
They look nice?
Yeah.
Oh, they smell like pumpkin. I'm just gonna try it straight, no syrup, no butter. Let's just see how they came out. The texture feels good. That looks nice. Oh, they're creamy inside. Oh, you're gonna like them.
Good.
Yep. Oh, very good. Let me get some syrup. Let me get you a plate, babe. Excuse my hands. There we go. Let me get some syrup here.
Oh, that's okay. I want to taste it without it anyway.
Oh, okay. Well, Regina has spoken, so from the Insecure Chef. And it's wonderful, right, Regina?
Have a great night. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween to you all. Thank you for helping us get towards that 1,000. We're starting to approach it. And enjoy these. These came out very tasty and they were very easy to make. Have a good holiday season coming up and enjoy the winter wherever you are. And if you're fortunate enough to be someplace where it's warm, way to go. Take care.